There are stories out there of people coming across coins in their pocket change or in a collection and being able to sell them for crazy amounts of money. Do you want to be one of those people? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you some incredibly valuable coins that sold for a lot of money. You could even potentially retire on some of these coins. That is how much money these coins brought. So let's hop right into it. This is a 1955 1-cent double die Obverse coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 65 red. Let's break this down. So first of all, this coin was graded at a 65. That means it's 5 points away from the perfect grade of 70. It's important to know that the higher the grade your coin is, the more money it's generally going to be worth. Next, let's get the obvious elephant in the room out of the way. This is a double die Obverse, so you can see the motto at the top, Liberty at the left, and the date at the right have some very apparent doubling happening. This is considered to be a mint variant, where when they were producing the hubs, there is an accidental doubling that occurred. So there is quite a large run of these coins out there that have this doubling. Now, a lot of the time, the more apparent and obvious the doubling is, the more money your coin can be worth. That in combination with a high grade. And lastly, this is considered to be a red variant. So PCGS signified that this is a red coin. Now, it's important to know that your coin can come in either red, red brown, or brown. And this is all opinion based, as is the grade. But the reason why red coins typically bring more money than other coins is because the closer you are to the mint state grade and condition, the better. Because these coins, when they were produced at the mint, they all came red, but over time they can get worn down and discolored over time. The reality is collectors just want coins that look really, really nice, and this one is really in good condition and looks and has great eye appeal, and that's why all of these things combined allowed it to sell for $37,600. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed, so you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. This 1914 coin sold for $72,000, and here's why. So first of all, this coin's over 100 years old and it graded at the PCGS 66 red grade. That is incredibly hard to get for this coin. This coin also has a D mint mark. It's important to know that this coin is struck at the Denver Mint. Depending on where the coin is minted will depend on how many coins were minted for that specific mint. Now, if a specific coin has a lot of coins produced, there's a supply and demand reality where coins that have a smaller production run are generally going to be worth more money if there is the demand there. Because this 1914 D 1-cent wheat penny graded so highly, it sold for $72,000. This coin sold for $180,000, and here's why. This is a 1944 coin that looks pretty normal if you're looking at it, but then you realize that this coin should never have been struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet. So most 1944 pennies are going to be struck on a normal looking copper bronze planchet. If you have a 1944 coin and it looks like this, you could have a coin worth a lot of money because this one sold for $180,000. One of my favorite types of coins, this one sold for $258,500, and here's why. So it's important to know that this is the first year they ever issued the wheat cent penny. It is in 1909. This one is the 1-cent wheat VDB coin graded by PCGS, a proof 67 plus red and brown with a Cac sticker. Let's break this down. So first of all, you see no mint mark around the date. That means this coin was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. Next, this is a VDB, meaning Victor David Brenner. Now, if you look on the back bottom center of the coin, you will see the initials of VDB there. Next, this is a proof coin. So proof coins are distinguished by the backdrop or field of the coin. You can see if you have a proof coin if the backdrop looks like a mirror. Lastly, this coin was graded as a 67 plus. That plus grade is really, really important. It does add value. On top of that, there is a Cac sticker. Now, Cac is another third-party company that after you get your coin graded, you can send it to them and they will consider putting the Cac sticker on your holder. They do this if the coin looks correct for the grade or if they think that the coin will grade higher. That one little Cac sticker will dramatically increase the value because, again, this coin sold for $258,500. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen.